Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make a healthy and amazing orange salad. The ingredients I'm going to use in my orange salad are 1 orange, lettuce, walnuts, almonds, a little lemon, and 1 shredded medium-sized carrot. The first step is to wash the orange, slice the peel off, and then cut the orange into small pieces. Oranges are one of my favorite fruits. They are rich in vitamin C. This orange salad works very well for lunch. I also sometimes make it after I have been at the gym. Next step is squeezing the orange peel to get the orange juice in a small bowl so that we can use it later. Then add the lettuce into the bowl and mix the lettuce with the orange. Then add the shredded carrot to the bowl. Add the squeezed orange juice. And squeeze a slice of lemon for lemon juice on top. Add a little bit of salt to the salad and 2 ml of sugar. Finally, add almonds and walnuts to the salad. Then mix well to combine everything. Now I'm going to taste it. It's very tasty, very refreshing. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Hope you all have a nice day. Bye bye.